Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin, which has broken through the $80,000 level from below and is now trading above it. I'll show you the magic of technical analysis and just how effective a tool it is for any trader. Let's take a look at the chart. These are Bitcoin's daily candles, and in the previous video we talked about an important level. Here it is in green. $76,470. This is the lowest daily candle close for Bitcoin. In 2025, when the downtrend shifted to an uptrend, Bitcoin started setting new all-time highs. At the time of the previous video, this level had also been broken from below, and the downtrend line was breached. This white one here, connecting the two local highs. I said that if we test both the 76,470 level and the white trend line, and manage to consolidate above them again, then, with a very high probability, Bitcoin will head here, to this level of $84,250, where the orange 200-day moving average also passes. If we break through this level as well, then the next target is 94,270. These, and by the way, the 300-day moving average, shown in blue on the chart, also passes right here. And these are not random levels. Take a look. The 94,270 level is a reversal point after which Bitcoin started updating its lows. The 84,250 level is also a local reversal point, after which it made a fairly significant correction to the decline. And this is the zone where Bitcoin was trading for many weeks before it dropped significantly lower. Accordingly, 84 to 94,000 are the target growth levels, but will we actually get there? That will become clear based on how Bitcoin behaves around the 200-day moving average. Now let's take a look at the weekly candles. What interesting things do we have here? Here is this huge red candle. From February 2nd, I'm pointing the cursor at it right now. It set a new yearly low at $60,000. And now, only the week before last, and I mentioned this in the video, we had a bullish engulfing of this huge candle. Everything that happened below it was just sideways movement, and then the week before last engulfed this massive drop candle. By doing so, it formed a trend reversal on the weekly time frame. That is, according to formal indicators on the weekly candles. Bitcoin is in a long position in a bull market and has set a technical growth target. This target is extremely simple. It's the previous red candle at that level. That's about $87,000, and right here around $88,000 runs the red 100-week moving average. Accordingly, Bitcoin's path now leads somewhere around here, and moreover, if it breaks through this moving average, then it could go further to around $95,000, where the 50-week moving average is. Well, maybe by the time it gets there, it will be a bit lower since it's trending downward. That's it. So on the daily candles, we have a level at 84,000. But on the weekly chart, look, it's kind of neither here nor there. So if we reach 84, then almost certainly we'll also see 87 or 88, at least to test the 100-week moving average. And considering that the 50-week moving average was just sharply broken through without any pause, there's a high probability that we could see a retest of the 50-week moving average at the same time. All that's left is to look at the monthly candles. On the monthly candles, we can see that the current month risks engulfing this large February drop candle. And if this does happen, but we still have 25 days until then, we can say that Bitcoin has reversed upward even on the monthly candles. But if this doesn't happen and the April candle, or rather the May candle, sorry, I forgot that it's already May, if the May candle closes below the opening point of the February candle, then with a high probability, a very high probability, we will be able to say that this was the ultimate correction of this major decline. And then Bitcoin will head toward updating the February low, which I have mentioned many times. And it will move toward the area of the 50-month moving average. That's around $59,000. But right here and now, there is a chance to break through the February candle and head toward the base of the January candle. And that's still the same $87,000. The situation at the moment is perfectly clear. Subscribe to the channel. Here you'll find very clear and precise reviews. Just as clear is my recommendation for you to join the Quant Fury platform where we did our analysis together. and where you can trade any financial instruments completely commission-free. Cryptocurrencies, stocks, those funds, indices, commodities, oil, gas, gold, all of this is commission-free at spot prices. Subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.